What's up, YouTube? Mean Green 5.2. Just want to share this modification with you guys. This is something I've done to all my second gens. I've owned like 3 of them. This right here is a 3rd gen tailgate spoiler. Very simple install. Pretty much, you set it on the tailgate. You line it up to where it's about 1/4 inch right here on both sides. And then you mark where your handle will sit. All right. Then you pull it off. You need about, here's another one. It's about 1.5 inches this way by 6 inches lengthwise. Then you set it back on there. Make sure your handle clears. You see this one clears exactly. If you need to cut a little more material, you could always cut it a little bit more. Install was self-tappers. There is also a bead of double-sided tape behind the screws. I used a whole bunch of self-tappers there. But this spoiler protects the top edge of your tailgate. It looks good. Supposedly increases fuel economy. Not sure about that, but I mean, for the 50 bucks I spent on this through eBay, it's a very nice modification. On the outside, it's just a bunch of self-tappers. When you put this wing on here, you could also add a rear view camera, put it right there, run the wiring through the inside. You get the idea. So yeah, this is my other second gen. This one's getting ready for paint. But yeah, you set it down just like that. And you see how it clears the handle. So part number is, bear with me, 551-12047 AC. This is the notch for the handle. Very simple install. Laters.